now we're going to cover a proper left-hand turn as we come up to this light here. We're going to get into the turning lane. Got a blinker on. We're going to stop at this light. Make sure we don't hit this pedestrian walking through. Okay, got a green light. He's walking through. What I'm going to do is I'm going to continue on straight here. I'm going to wait till I get halfway through the intersection before I commit to my turn, which is now. And what I'm looking for is that my trailer does not hit or go over the yellow line here, which is what I just did right here. I didn't go over the yellow line, made a perfect left-hand turn, and I finished in my proper lane, which is the left lane. Now, if you had two turn lanes available, you would take the outside lane, and then you would finish in the outside lane, in the right lane. So two turn lanes, take the outside turn lane, finish in the right lane. Only one turn lane, you finish in the inside lane, okay? So I'm going to make another left-hand turn here at this light where there is no turning lane, but I will finish into one. It is legal to make the left-hand turn. So I'll get my blinker on, got a vehicle coming, so I'm going to wait for look for my gap, which I do have one behind them, even though there's a car coming, but I have enough room to make my turn. Light's still green, which is great. And what I got to watch out for now is I don't hit this red vehicle here. So I'm going to take it nice and wide, watch my mirror, and nowhere near the vehicle, enough room, didn't interfere with the vehicle coming down the road. That's how you do a proper left-hand turn.